Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be continuing this series where I make GTA 5. So we hit our like goal, which was 20, but we hit 21. That's really great. So yeah, this is part 3 of making GTA 5 on Roblox. So let's begin. So last time we left off at inventory, yeah. So now we could equip a gun, as you can see. When I press 1, it's hands. When I press 2, it's pistol. 3, it's nothing because the slots are empty. Uh, so yeah, we have done that. Today my goals are to make this pistol shootable so that I can actually shoot, and after that we'll check what else we have to do. Well, of course we have a lot to do, but let's first do the thing where the pistol shoots. So yeah, let's do that. Um, so let me just go through what I have done. I forget stuff pretty soon. So yes, the hands, right? So inside the hands, we have a weapons module. It should be tool module, but whatever, let it be like that. But we're gonna do the script, so let's go to. We're gonna do the pistol, so we're gonna go to the pistols weapon module. So now here we have module.equip. So the next thing we need is module.shoot. So this is going to be a function, of course, and this way we're going to be doing the shoot plugin, but I mean the shoot function. But before that, we need to make a small animation so the player can hold the gun. So what I'm going to do here is make an animation. So I'm going to go to the animation editor, click on this, name it to shoot, pistol hold animation. It's good to rename everything to what you can understand, because later on, if this game is really big, it's easier to identify. If not, there will be problems. So let me first enable the rotation so that I can rotate these hands perfectly, and then set the rotation back to free. So now we could like make a small holding animation so that the player is holding the gun. So yeah, of course I'm gonna do this, and yeah, something like this. So the player is holding the gun. Um, Technically in GTA 5, the player will be just holding the gun, but after a while he will put his hands down if it's a pistol, I think. So we should even do that. But now first let's do this holding, and then for aiming, I'm gonna just turn this head like this, and maybe no, yeah, just like that. So yeah, we'll first do this holding animation. So we're gonna set animation priority to action 1, aiming is gonna be action 2. Okay, so let's put it to action, and we put it to looping, and we're gonna publish to Roblox, and let it be like that. The animation name, we don't have a description, let's just keep it like this. I don't have a group yet, so I'm just gonna put it to my creators thing, and we have a pistol hold animation. So I'm gonna just copy the idea here, because we need to go back to the pistol weapon module, come here, and we just have to set the animations. So I'm gonna create something like local animations equals to, this is gonna be new table, and shooting, which is gonna be this. Right, so I'm in holding, shooting, which I haven't set yet, but I'm gonna do that, and aiming. Okay, so these are gonna be the animations, but first let's go with the holding. So when the weapon is equipped, the player should hold the gun. So play this animation. So we shall do that. So here we're gonna say humanoid. No. We can't do that here. So equipped, yeah. So here we're gonna say character and humanoid. here, and we can say, no, we're gonna create a small function here called local function load character variables. So what this does is it's gonna, whenever the place equips, it's gonna load the character variables here so that we don't do anything wrong. So character equals to whenever the place equipped player equipped the gun. So of course it can be the weapon dot parent, and humanoid is gonna be character find first child humanoid. So once that's done, we're gonna we have the humanoid here. We are gonna come back down here, create a command like something like loading animation for holding the tool. So it's gonna be local animation hold animation is yeah, right hand. No. Hold animation equals to humanoid load animation, which I could say instance start new animation, and it's gonna be inside the pistol. Actually, we're gonna put it inside the pistol. So weapon. We should create this in the top here. We're gonna create a new function called load. This is gonna load out the necessary stuff before anything, and this is gonna be inside, and local hold animation dot name equals to hold animation. Let's create the other ones too. Shooting animation, start new animation. Inside the weapon, of course. Shooting animation dot name shooting animation local aiming animation, start new animation, and it's going to be under the weapon too, and I'm going to set that name as well, aiming animation. And we need to even set we need to even set the ID. So hold animation dot ID, it's gonna be animation ID. So if we come back here, okay, yeah, if you put animation object here and put the loading ID, it's gonna change into something like this, right? So we need to just copy the top part like this, the front part, and just do this and put two dots and say animation start holding. Of course we should convert it to strings before doing that too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So this was to set the animation ID like this. If not, it won't work, so we can just delete this animation object again. So yeah, that's done here. What else? Yeah, we should just copy this and paste it under all of this, and just replace this like that, and of course even this shooting animation and aiming animation. Okay. Yeah, that's that part is done now. We need to load it. We need to load whenever we equip. I mean, whenever it's loaded into the place. So let's go back to starter character scripts. I guess that's where it's there, right? Yeah, inventory manager. And where do we clone it? Where did we clone this, right? We need to find the place where we cloned it. Oh god, we haven't cloned it. Did we? Wait, I need to... We have not cloned it. Okay, so we need to do this now. We should copy this and then say clone. If not, it will be confusing. But yeah, let's just do this right like this. And wait, did we clone? When we equip, do we clone it? Okay, we clone. Okay, we don't have to do this. My bad, guys. I forgot the script. So I thought that, but yeah, here we cloned it. So this way we need to run the equip. Load. Okay, yeah, load. And the next thing is we need to load the character variables whenever we equip. So let's come back here. Load the character variables and under loading. Yeah, we did that right. I'm gonna delete this local here because we're gonna come back here and say local hold animation, local shooting animation, and local aiming animation. And we're gonna come back down here and start loading them. So first the holding animation. So hold animation. We're gonna load it and then hold it. So we need to hold. We need to like create new variables here actually, because I don't want it to be too messy. So I'm not gonna add too much variables. I'm trying to control it. So yeah, I have really bad practice of making useless local variables. So yeah, I'm trying to reduce that. So yeah, we can go down here and say hold anim equals to humanoid load animation hold anim. Yeah, shooting anim. Humanoid load animation shooting anim. Again, aiming animation, humanoid load animation, aiming animation. So yeah, no, aiming animation. Okay, this really looks confusing, but yeah, I understand. So yeah, it's fine. Now we could just if hold anim, then hold anim, we can play it. And here we're gonna say hold anim stop. If hold anim, then hold anim stop. Okay. Now we're gonna come back here and we're gonna say okay, now I should actually play it if I'm right. Okay, we got a problem here. Let me check what's wrong. Okay, that's a typo. We put an M here. I don't know why I didn't realize that. we got a new one. Let's see what's wrong. Oh, sometimes I'm just so dumb that I miss all the silliest mistakes. So yeah, let me just relaunch the game, because yeah. Of course we'll go through these problems, guys. It's not like I'm a perfect scripter. And they're small. Oh, okay. I have done that to this. Let me just check if I have done that a lot. Okay. This is just typos, guys. I don't know why I just do all of this. Anyone? Okay, yeah. I forgot to do the one thing which we should do. That is yeah, so okay, yeah, I have put the weapon clones up here into the thing, which is yeah, okay, now it should work. Hopefully. Okay, a new problem. Okay, it's going through this problem because it doesn't know. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. We should put this here because yeah. Now we shall see. Now I just gave up on problems because just keep getting this. Why? Let me check one thing. The pistol is here. And when it loads. Okay, this actually dumb. Let me do this. Let me delete this. And return character here. And delete this and character. Except we're gonna keep this. Okay, I'll come back here. Say character. Hope this works, cause we can't be stuck in these silly mistakes. Why? Again and again I'm making this silly stupid mistakes that I'm giving bad impressions. What did I do now? Oh, it did not even. Okay, my bad. Okay, it works, guys, but I might have to change the animation, as you can see, and the angle of the gun should be changed as well. That could be done. Yeah, but the animation works. It loads. Now, the others won't load because the hands won't load since we have not given it the scripts which this has. So yeah, we should let's actually connect the unequipped thing now, because why not, right? So let's go back here. Unequip, where is it? Okay, it stops. So let's come back here. If you have a current weapon, we're gonna find the model of the current weapon. I'm in the module, so we should do this. So find prev model, so that this is the previous model. Current weapon down value, and find prev module equals to find prev model, find first child weapon module. Make sure this is under require. If not, it won't work. And then unequip, as stated here. Where is that? Here, unequip. This should be simple. And then we destroy and we do all the other stupid stuff. Actually, we should do this in there, but we should keep it here because it makes it new as well. So I'm actually gonna take this here, model weapon destroy. Done. Okay, yeah, so let's see. We got an error, another one. What does this say? Find current weapon, we found it. Where is it? The current weapon is pistol. We found it, and the weapon module we got. Oh god, okay, I'm done. I could just say current weapon, right? Because we found it. Yeah, my bad. Oh, weapon down value, and then it should work. I'm wasting so much time in this bug fixing. Okay, perfect. But when I equip, okay, I got an idea for that. Okay. Current weapon. Just destroy it here. Current weapon dot value destroy. Okay, since that's done. Okay, so now so yeah. Oh, we have to fix this part as well. So let me just okay. No, we did this. Okay. The whole denim is not running the unequip thing, and I'm trying to know why. Cause it's not unequipping. Okay, so think. Okay, I'm gonna do something else here. So I'm gonna go back here, up, and say local find module, right? And local, yeah, find module and come back down. So in here, I had to yeah, just say find module and do that. Perfect. And no, we can't do that. We can't do that. We have to come back here and say preview find module. Come back down here. Say preview find module, because find module, and here I'm gonna say do this preview and equip, which should come under here. If not, if per module, then and equip, and then we're gonna head over here. It's gonna do this, and yeah, okay. Now this should work. If it does not, then I kill myself. Okay, it works. Great. Now it works, as you can see. Right now we can equip and unequip. But one thing I wanna do is make equipping animation. And before that, we're gonna fix one thing here, which is when I'm running, you can see my hands moving weird. That's because we haven't set a frame lock to that lower hand. So I'm gonna come back here to animation editor, and we're gonna set that. So here, this hand, we need to set. So it's gonna be right lower arm. This, yes. And it's also gonna be left lower arm, which is this. Okay, now if we publish, it should not be like that. We're gonna keep the hand without anything, because then scripting will be easier. But yeah, now let me just export it again, right? Export, publish to ROBLOX as an existing asset and submit. Now let's play the game and see. Okay, as you can see, only my arms are moving when I walk. So, I mean, only my. Oh, we haven't set a keyframe for this, and I think we should set a keyframe for this whole hand, and yeah, then that will be done. So let me just do that real quick. Animation editor. Just have to move it a bit, then it will be set. So okay, now if we publish to ROBLOX as an existing asset, we should be good to go. As you can see, now it works great, just like I wanted. Now let's fix the orientation of the gun, and then yeah, we will be done with that. So let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna do that here. So before this, weapon clone the primary part, the C frame, goes to C frame dot from orientation. I'm not really sure from. Okay, let's see this. No, before that, should I say weapon clone? Oh no. primary part. That's the frame. Okay, so to fix this rotation, I have to do something else here. So let's yeah, we need to change some weld stuff. So what I'm gonna do here is so this, I tried this one work. That's really wrong. My bad. So the thing we have to do is right. So here, maybe somewhere here. Okay. So I'm gonna create a CF0. This is gonna be the target part. So this is gonna be the part 0. So right hand dot C frame and CF1, which is gonna be C frame dot new, and I don't know. Right, so like something like that. And C frame dot angles. We're gonna use angles here, not from orientation. And 0 and math dot rad. We need to yeah, math dot rad, and then 90 and another 0. So yeah, and then we're gonna inverse this so that the thing. So we're gonna say motor weld dot C0 goes to CF1, CF0 inverse, and then weld CR1, CF1 inverse. This should yeah, this should do the thing. Yeah, hope this works. I don't know if it really works. I haven't tested it yet. So okay, it's on top of the head because I have put a YZ frame. So let's just put it 0 again. Weapon clone. The primary part. That's C frame, right? And let's make like a 45 because 90 won't do the thing we wanted to do. So okay, now it works, but the rotation has to be changed. So let me just yeah, change this rotation. We're gonna put 0 here and change from here 45. Okay, I'm not really good with these free C frames, so what I'm gonna do is we are gonna go inside pistol, put something like this, and M1 and to a number, M2 also to a number, and another attribute called M3, which is also going to a number. And wait, could we just set a C frame? No, we can't do that. Okay, so M1, M2, everything's gonna go under here. So math.rad, yeah, math.rad, okay, so weapon clone get attribute, M1. We'll just copy this now. We copy this. M2, and this is gonna be M3, and we have to copy this again and start a while weapon clone is not nil. We're gonna wait. We don't want to break the script, and we just even I'll copy this inside. Yeah, this should help us debug and find the right. Oh god, okay, yeah, my bad, we can't. Oh, instead we can do this. So this is dumb. Okay, I found a perfect one. Weapon clone, get attribute change signal, M1. I'll connect to a function, and here we paste this and this. Which before we do this, we're gonna come back here, and we're gonna do one more small tiny bit thing, which is weapon clone the primary part. No, we could just copy this, but instead for CFrame.angles, which is here, we just put 0, 0, 0, so that every time it will update. Okay, I'm so dumb sometimes, but we could have done it the loop way too, but this is just testing purposes, guys. We're not gonna be putting this much stuff. This just I'll delete after we test. So just have to find the right angle to do this. That's why I done that. Okay, now if we go to player, the pistol, and change this. Okay, great. Oh, and put 0. It's not doing what I wanted to do, but we'll just test it here, shall we? Zero. Where does that take? 50. Okay, it takes 2 random positions. But I want to find the correct rotation. M3 doesn't do shit. 0 here. Okay, I might have an idea why that happens. Maybe because we're inside the character, so it's considered. Okay, so we'll just change this to workspace again. Now let's change this. Wait, why? I didn't even do anything. 0, 50, 0. Okay, it does not update. Oh, okay, I think I know why. Because we're inversing everything, so let's again delete those. Say while true do. No, while weapon clone do. We'll copy paste this and CFrame.new. No. We're gonna copy this. CFrame.new. And we're gonna put this here as well. We do this. Okay, this way we can test it out before doing anything like Wasting time. Oh no, no, no. It's gonna break my script. Because I forgot to put weight. Yeah. So let me just put weight here. I'm playing. Okay. I don't obviously run because I put it too, but okay. Now it works. As you can see. And now we just have to find the perfect angle. What could it be? 300? Maybe 290, 250, 280. Okay, 280 works. What else could we change here? No, not that. It's gonna be 0. So M1 is gonna be 280. Now we could just break out of this. And I'm not gonna delete it, I'm gonna keep it like that. And now we know. So we're gonna delete like this. Math.rad. Math.rad 80. 0, 0. And we are even gonna say C from .new 0, like a 5. God, okay, let me check what's wrong. Okay, let me just delete that. It's really annoying. What did I possibly do wrong this time? Did I not? Should I do this? Like, what's different? Do I put this in? Add that red 0. Add that red 0 as well. Fucking life is a joke. What the hell? Did my shit go? Okay, I'm going to give it one chance to work. Where'd it go? Okay, so you're telling it's dug deep within my shit. Okay, okay, yeah. Now it works. I just have to do a certain thing here, which is C from .new. It should go into X. I'm not pretty sure, so I'm gonna put the X in here. And let me check. Okay, not that. And this should not be 280. It should be. Yeah, it should be 280. And 10, 15. Now this should work. If it does not, and then I don't know. Oh my life. Okay. -5. Okay. That's a lot. Okay. -2. That should be a lot too. Yep, it's a lot. -0.2. Is that at least gonna give us what we want? Okay. Great. Finally. No, there's still a gap. Yeah, we need to do a few more tweaks here and there. I'm gonna give it a minus 0.05, and I am gonna make this a 250. That's two. That's also too weird. 370. Okay, this is what I love. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we have made the gun. Of course, the model sucks, but as you can see, the gun works. I mean, it does not work, but it yeah, the player holds it properly and plays the animation. Okay, yeah, now that's done. But like we have recorded for over 47 minutes, and we have only done this, so yeah, it's gonna take a while this episode. But now let's go on to the next one, which is making the player shoot, right? So let's do that. So I'm gonna commit him stats. I don't know, weapon stats, tool stats, whatever stats, and we're gonna say ammo. Total ammo is gonna be 300. What do we call the current ammo? Is it just current ammo? I'm not pretty sure, but I'm gonna give it 12. Min, no, max ammo is gonna be 12. Okay, so the max ammo is done. Let me just now script it quickly so we can end this episode. Actually, I might have to record part 2 inside of this episode, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bit of a break, maybe record tomorrow or today, who knows. But yeah, now let's take a break, guys. Yeah, see you. So yeah, it's been like 3 days since I recorded the last part, cause I had some stuff to do, so I couldn't continue that part. But now I'm gonna be finishing it off, and then yeah, and then let's see what else we can do. So before that, if you notice here, there's some new modules here, which is like from a plugin which I uh downloaded recently, which I don't know the name exactly, but maybe I can just find it here. Yeah, it's called Quicks. So this would actually help me with development, because so let me show you what it does, and then let's go back to the main video. So in this plugin, like we can create custom codes. So what I mean by this is right now there's a custom thing called test. So if I come back to a normal script and put this, then type test. By the way, I got a new keyboard, so my typing kind of is slow, but as you can see, it replaces the command with what you typed, so we can keep this as shortcuts. So I'm going to rename this to like so in replicate storage we need the modules and stuff like that, so I'm just going to rename these mods, right? And it's going to return game get service, right? Replicated storage, um, find first child, um, modules. Yeah, we could do that, and end it off like this. So what this does is wait, something's wrong. Oh yeah, should put okay. So I got a new keyboard, so my typing might be really different, or I don't know, bad, I don't know. So yeah, now if we come back, if we turn that off, we come back here to I mean no, not test. What was that again? Just mods. Mods. Wait, how did I? Okay, it's okay. So mods, as you can see, it replaces the whole thing and does this. So I can use this to create some templates, so I can use it in the whole game anywhere I want. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go back to custom quakes. Over here we're gonna create some arguments like this. So I'm gonna copy this, come to the top here, gonna paste it a few times because um, we need it for a bit. So first one I'm gonna put rs, and it's gonna get the replicate storage, right? And before that, let me just cut this so that it's easier. Over here I'm gonna say local replicated storage equals to like this, right? And here just say replicated storage for first chart. Let's say modules, right? Let's say modules. And no, mods. That's good. And what else do we need? Events and weapons. So let's get events, which is similar to this. So let me just copy this and paste. We should put one more thing here, which is local modules. And yeah, we'll get the folder. And events, we're just gonna say local events. Um, it's gonna be called yeah, events. And we're gonna do one more, which is gonna be weapons. So weapons, we need to change this to replicate storage, and put here weapons. So yeah, and we don't need this, so I'm just gonna delete that. So now this should do the thing. So yeah, if I wanted to replicate storage, then I do the my bad, I did that, and then I need the modules, then I do mods. That's really quick and easy, so this is gonna help us a lot. So yeah, we need to remember that. So yeah, let's now delete that script I made. Wait, was it that? Yes, it was. Okay, and go back to the main scripting which we left off. So it was in pistol, I think. Weapon module. Yeah, it's the shooting thing. So yeah, so what we have to do is do the shooting thing. So we could use raycast for this, since raycast is like it's optimized for stuff like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up the raycast document here, so that we could look into it, right? Not raycast, I mean firecast. I think that's what it's called. Firecast. I don't remember what the name is. Was it oh yeah, fastcast. That's what it was called. Yeah, it is fastcast. So it's called fastcast, and let me just show it to y'all so that y'all will understand what I'm gonna be using to make this game. So I think this is it. So this is the one. So we're gonna be using this right here. So let me just use, yeah, I have the module, so that's all good. um, we even have the API docs, so we can go through it and see how to do it. I think there was a page where it explains everything properly on how it's used. I've used it, like I've used this in the past, but I'm not really sure how this works because I forgot some stuff. So let's just take a look at it, and then let's move on to doing it and adding it to the game. So yeah, let me just do a real quick check, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So I think I got the hang of it. So now we can try it in the game and see if I'm doing it right. So let's go back here, and we need to create a few functions for this gun. So let's come down here. This is not a good place. Okay. So first, of course, I need the fast cast plugin. I'm in the module. So let me just see if I can get it. Yes, I do have it. So let me just take it and put it into modules. So yeah, now that I have that, now I'm gonna be using the thing which I got earlier by. It's gonna be quick now because we just if you have to get replicate storage, we oops, type replicate storage, and we need the modules. So we don't need the modules actually. We need the modules because I'm gonna be using fastcast redux, right? So we can say mods, and yeah, now we just need to call it because I haven't put uh, yeah, I haven't put a thing for that. So modules, wait for child, fastcast redux. Okay, now that we have that, we need to do the other part, which is the shooting part. So now before that, there's some stuff let's do here, right? So let's call this initializing. I don't know how to spell that. Is that correct? I don't know. Initializing fastcast. Okay. So first we need the caster, something like that. So this it's gonna be like new, and then uh, just yeah, we need cast behavior, right? So fastcast dot I think it's new behavior. Yes. Um. So yeah, we'll come back to this. Okay. But yeah, before that we need to come down here to shoot, right? In shoot need, okay, so the shoot returns the player and mouse position. So let me just do that here. So when the player clicks, it will shoot, right? So it's going to set the mouse position and the player. So first we need to we're going to call the caster, and we're going to fire. So we need to get the origin, the direction, and I think we need to get the speed too. Yeah, the velocity, right? As you can see the velocity. So to do that, we need to come down here again to the top and get the origin, which okay, origin, which is going to be the position of the shooting the gun. So let's go to the pistol here. I'm going to drag it to the workspace. Let me just make that bigger. And inside of this, I'm going to put a new attachment, right? It should be inside the humanoid root part. I'm going to put an attachment, and this is going to be called a fire point. And this is going to be the point where the bullet is going to come from. So yeah, let's put that there. And now we can just call it like weapon primary part dot fire point. make sure the primary part is set, or we'll go into some problems. Okay, yeah. World position, and we need the direction as well. So I'm gonna say mouse position minus the origin dot you need. So the mouse position is gonna be the mouse hit position. So let's, after passing this parameters, let's go to the client script and do that. So the velocity is going to be the bullet speed. So I'm just going to call it bullet speed here. Come to the top here, and in tool stats I'm going to say bullet speed. Let's put it at 10, and that's done. um, yeah, the gun stats. So let me just say gun stats. Oops, gun weapon stats. What was that again? Tool stats. Okay, yeah, now that will return 10, and this part is done. Now we need to just connect this to the player clicking. So let's do that. So to do that we need to yeah, we need to go to start place, inventory manager. Is that way it is? Equip but began. Yeah, this way it is. I'm not gonna be doing this everything in this again because that would be bad. So I'm gonna come back here. So use input service, input began, connect to a function, input. Although if I do it here, it will save some memory, but I I don't want to do it there because yeah, it's messy then, right? So yeah, if not, is typing then if input user input type equals to enum user input type mouse button 1, then now we need to get some properties here, like I mean the bool values, like is shooting false, can shoot true. Okay, and so here we're gonna say if shoot, if can shoot and is shooting equals to if not is shooting, then can shoot equals to false, is shooting equals to false too. I mean true. And so if is shooting is false, we set those, and then we could call the module again. So what is the module again? Okay, local find module. I'm just gonna make it a global variable here, so that we could use it all over the scripts, right? We need to even include and find module, right? Yeah. Okay. So find module dot shoot, and we're gonna be sending the player, and we're gonna be sending the mouse hit position, which we can get by saying mouse position player, no, mouse get mouse dot hit dot position. We now need to go up and get the mouse, which is by calling that operation, and now we just send the mouse position here, and that should do about it. So yeah, mouse dot hit that position, everything's set. One more thing, we need to oh yeah, we need to come back here. to see, for now we're gonna go to the top, and here we're gonna say fast cast dot visualize cast so we could see the mouse, the bullet working, so we know it's working. So yeah, now let's play the game and see if it's working. My gun don't seem to come up, so let's see what's wrong. Hmm. Okay, I know why, because it's on the hands, right? I don't know how this changed, but let's go back. Let's yeah, oh yeah. Okay, the pistol should be here. Okay, now it should work. Okay, that works, but when we shoot, we're getting an error. Let me check what's wrong. Okay, find module, attempt to call a new value. Okay, let me come back here. Okay, it's not supposed to be capital, my bad. I need a coffee, I'm a little sleepy, but yeah. Now, well, it's not shooting, that's odd. Let me check what's wrong. So, print, fired, I guess. Let's put a fired. Let's wait like 2 seconds. No, that's too long. Let's wait like 1 second, and then yeah, we need to set this back. Can shoot through, and this false. And we come back here and cast it. Let's just say that, so we know we are on the right side. Okay, so why do I run into problems always? Let me just see what's wrong. So, there's nothing really wrong here. Everything is great. Why is it not? Okay, you know what? For now, let's see what. Yeah, Himna report. We have that. Himna report dot fire. Firepoint dot world position. Let's see what's wrong here. So I'm gonna go to the player here, and we're gonna see what's wrong. So we need to first equip the gun, which is not equipping. Okay, you know what? Let's just do this. Let's put world, no, weapon dot hole, that position. Let's see if this works. Okay, it works, but as you can see over there, it's apparently in the middle, in the center. I don't know why. As you can see, it works though. When I click, it's clicking in the directions. I messed up. The directions here. What could be wrong? Okay, let me check. So I'm gonna come back here. I'm pretty sure the word position is wrong. That's what it, yeah, the direction works. The word position is wrong. How could we fix this? Could we put repeat wait onto script.parent equals to workspace, because that's where it is, right? Maybe it's running the script too early that everything is wrong. Oh yeah, it can't run at all then. My bad. Okay, let's try this then. Weapon. No, this is correct. This is correct because oh no. This why. Okay. So the weapon clone is supposed to be firing. So let me just fix that real quick. So I'm go back up here. Somewhere around here we just copy this local weapon clone. Yeah, that should be good to go now. Weapon clone dot primary part dot 5 point dot world position. Okay, this should work. If it doesn't, then I kill the game. Let me just see what's wrong. Okay, it works. So when we shoot, it shoots forward. Hope it goes up. If I shoot up, yeah. Let me see if it's precise. So I'm gonna just shoot at that box there. Okay, it's precise. So let me just shoot that corner there. Yep, it's precise. So yeah, that works, right? So now we can head on to the next part, which is um, making an actual bullet, right? That's actually easy in this thing. So for that we need so first let's use this cast behavior. So cast behavior dot acceleration. This is gonna be like the speed in which it runs, so in which the bullet goes. So not only that, so what this is gonna do is, let me just show it to you. So this should, in GTA, there's like a limit on how far you can shoot due to gravity and stuff like that. So the bullet falls down as it goes, yeah, too fast. So what this script will do, this part will give it gravity, give the bullet gravity on the Y, so that it will shoot and go further accordingly. So yeah, that's one thing. Um, I will show it to you guys, but before that, let me do one more thing too, which is cast params. So we're gonna give parameters to the uh, raycast. So it's we're gonna be using in studio operation called raycast params.new and cast params, right? Um, so filter type, we're gonna say filter type enum.recast photo type blacklist, and cast params direct filter descendants. We're gonna say a character, so we don't have the character yet. So here we need to actually say weapon parent. No, no, no. We need to set this later on. So I'm just gonna ignore that for now. Dot ignore water. That's gonna be true. We're gonna ignore the water, and yeah. And let's come back here to the equip. In equip, we're gonna yeah. In equip, we're gonna do the thing where we save cast cast parameters, filter descendants, character. Okay, that's one thing we need to do, and then once we do that, we need to now get the bullets. So yeah, we need to create bullets. So let's like in the script, let's do that. So no, actually, I'm gonna create a folder called bullets. So yeah, it can save some memory, and yeah. So let's now create a bullet. Uh, so we need to come back up to the weapons module. Need to do some stuff in the cast behavior here. So let me just check how long I recorded. Okay, 20 minutes. This video is gonna be long, but yeah, we should finish this today. So cast behavior dot cosmetic bullet container is gonna be workspace dot bullets, and we need to make a bullet template now. So let me go like on the top here, right, and create a bullet. It's just gonna technically be like a part, and bullet template dot name. It doesn't matter because it's gonna be like a debris, so yeah, it doesn't matter. And bullet template dot can collide can be false. The bullet template dot shape is gonna be a ball, and what else do we need to set? We can set the color as well. So brick color dot new. It's gonna be black, and bullet template dot size is gonna be vector 3 dot new, like 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and what else could we possibly need? Maybe the material as well. So bullet template dot material goes to enum dot material dot smooth plastic, and now we're gonna come back here after those are done. Cast behavior cosmetic bullet template equals to bullet template, and now we need to even pass the bullet template down in what do we call it? Yep, here. I think we need to pass it. I'm not pretty sure. Do we have to? Oh, yes, we need to pass the cast behavior so it works well. And now it should pretty much work, but there was certain stuff on the bullet we need to do. So let's do that. So before playing, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do it actually under this. So I'm gonna say local function on length changed. Alright, the cast, it's gonna be returned the last point, and it's gonna return the direction, and it's gonna return the length, and it's gonna return the velocity and the bullet. If bullet, then we need to get the bullet length now. So to get that, we just get the bullet size. So we get the size in the EZ and then divide it by 2. And we need to even get the offset, which is going to be cframe.new 0 0. Open some brackets here. We might need, yeah, if not, it'll get messy. Minus length minus bullet length. The bullet dot cframe equals to cframe dot look at last point plus direction. Then it should convert. Yeah, we should convert it to all space as well, I guess, and offset. Yeah. So this should pretty much do it, I think. Let's see if we missed anything like what did we miss? Oh yeah, of course we need to come back here and say what's the event again? Yeah, caster. So we're gonna say caster dot length change to connect to length on length changed. That should do about it. Now let's see if it works, right? Oh, and I forgot to do one more thing. We have a problem. I think we cannot use that in a module with I don't know, I'm not really sure. I have never tried using an event in a module. Okay, so there's two things we need to fix here. So the first one is, of course, turning this off. We're just gonna comment this, I guess, so that how do I? Okay, never mind. My comment is not working, so let me just delete that right off the table. And the next thing is the bullet speed. We need to increase it since we have put gravity. So let me just increase. I increased it to 125, and let's see what's wrong. So 2. Okay, it works. Yeah, of course it's not going far like we anticipated it, but like in close distance, if you can see, it goes right in the position. That it goes right there. That it goes right below because gravity works. So that's the highest distance it can go. If you look higher, then it can go higher. That's because we have put gravity into this. So we need to increase this a lot. So let's go with the 500. We'll see if that does the deed. Wait, why is the camera different now? This is not how it's supposed to be. Something's wrong. We need to check it out. I think Fastcast is doing that, but as you can see, it works. If you don't like this, then please let me know. But yeah, it works. Now we just need to do some changes here, like the weight. We we need to yeah, come back here and shoot time, maybe something like that, 0.2, and we can come back here and say yeah, we should say find module dot what's that again? Oh no, tool stats, shoot time, tool stats, right? So tool stats dot shoot time. That's gonna be on brackets because we need to wait that amount. So yeah, let's just put a wait. So yeah, that works. Let me just remove these prints and organize it. Okay. That should do it, and I'm gonna actually increase this to like 875. I need it to be better. Okay. Now let me just shoot. We have a problem here. It does not. Why does this do this? Check. Weird. Yeah, let's try to see what's wrong there. So we can equip, but as soon as we equip, it kind of like ruins the whole thing by going to this third person script, which I don't like. So yeah, we need to fix that. And we need to fix this. Now I don't know why it's doing this. Let me go through it again, I guess. Okay, we're gonna do a quick little test by putting it here. Okay, it works now. Okay, that was the problem. Okay, but now we need to fix this new issue, which is um, um, the thing which is locking. I don't know how it's doing that. So to test it out, I'm gonna go to modules, fastcast attacks. I'm going to kind of not use it. So to do that, I'm just gonna not equip the gun. So yeah, it won't work. Okay, it's already locked in. So yeah, it surely gotta be this. Let me just delete that. Check. This is totally new. Let me just check what's wrong there. Okay, it's not the fast cast. So what's doing this? Well, the camera shouldn't be doing that. First of all, this is the offset. That's the head rotation. Okay, let me just disable this and let me just check. This a new problem, guys. I don't know where these problems are coming from, but It's really annoying now. Like how is this happening? Where is this coming from? Okay, it should be mouse. Let me just check if mouse. No, it can't be mouse actually, because that's the whole purpose. As you can see, still the shit is turning. No idea why. Hmm. Why is this happening? That's my question. Let me check if it's a plugin which is playing games with us. Okay, I cannot waste time on this, so we'll fix that later on. So now let's finish this part off by doing the damage, and then the next episode I'm going to focus on actually making it look like a gun. I'm giving it some really good effects, and also the movement. I need to fix the movement a bit too, because GTA 5 has a whole different movement system compared to this. So yeah, there's some certain stuff we need to do there. But let's finish this off, and then let's go into that. So for now, I'm not gonna do the current ammo and stuff like that. That's gonna come on later, because I'm not really up to date. Maybe in the next episode we'll do that. So now let's create a new function, which is gonna be a local function on reHit. It's gonna it's gonna get the cast result and the velocity and the bullet. Local hit result dot instance. So what this should return is the characters. So hit find first ancestor, which is a model. I think this would work fine. There are other ways to do it, but yeah, this should work fine. If character and the character find first child, um, humanoid, then character humanoid, take damage and damage, which I'm gonna come here and say local damage, which we're gonna keep at 12 for now. So yeah. Right. Now when the player hits, yeah, that should do it. And we need to even add a debris, because after the bullet hits something, at least the flow or anything, it has to it has to disappear. It should not stay there for long. So add item. We're gonna put the bullet, and let's disappear it after 2 seconds. Should do the thing. Right. What else could we do? Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just call the event, and we'll be done for today's video. So let me just hope I played. Okay, yeah. So the bullet works. After 2 seconds, is it going? Yes. Now I'm gonna run all the way to that dummy over there and shoot, because that's what we do. Shoot. It works, as you can see. I can keep shooting, putting body marks. I can even type. That's an S. That's a 2. That's a 4. That's an S, which I meant it to be 5, but yeah, it works, as you can see. Of course, I'll make the bullet smaller because that's not how it is, but to see, it looks great. So next episode, we are gonna actually um add we're gonna first fix this camera thing. I don't like this. This is not how GTA 5 has, so I'll check on that. But next episode we need to do a better movement script so that when we sprint, it slowly accelerates the sprinting without just instantly running so fast. And the next thing is the gun. I need to put aim down sights, the ammo, so much stuff. So I bet this video is already like 2 hours long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to cut a lot of parts, since I don't know, I don't wanna make it too long, which I doubt people will watch. So yeah, I will surely cut some parts off, and yeah. So this is how it is for now. Yeah, see you in the next video.